Good morning, this is Talissa from Blue Betty, and today I'm going to show you how to treat your beautiful blueberry products with our Techno Leather Cream. Let's get into it. And all you're going to need is a little sponge, your Techno Leather Cream. Let's get cracking. And squeeze a nut-sized amount of cream on your sponge. Our leather cream is designed to moisturize and enhance the natural look of your leather. Make sure that you spread the product evenly across the entire product. We do not want to spot clean, but rather focus on covering the entire shoe. Don't worry if it looks a bit darker, the natural color will return as it dries. The TeknoShoeCare range is premium products which will provide nourishment and softness to all leather products. It's eco-friendly, oil-free and non-staining, and it enhances and enriches the leather, leaving it supple with a natural richness. You can also undo any laces, straps or buttons. Make sure you get into all those nooks and crannies. I'm now going to go over to the next side. Again, just squeeze out a nut-sized amount of product onto your sponge and start distributing it across your whole product. And there you are, look how beautiful they look. Now all you're going to do is leave them indoors to dry up. Now moving on to the Blue Betty wallet. This is actually our wallet in Baobab. So again, just squeeze a nut-sized amount of product onto your sponge and make sure that you cover all parts of your wallet. And now just showing off the end result. You can see our leather looks refreshed and nourished. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like and follow us on all social media platforms. And if you have any other questions, be sure to give our Blue Betty crew a shout.